everybody, this is Kim Say with Lamiel, and as most of you guys know, I had 7 children. What a lot of you don't know is I just had my 8th child like 5 weeks ago. So one of the questions I get a lot is about my weight and how I've lost the... She's standing in the background! Oh my god!
She has to finish get the pasta.
Anyway, what did I do to lose the baby weight? Because I went right back to my regular size. Okay, so I'm home right now, and most of my kids are here, so you're gonna see a little bit of stuff going on. Anyway, one of the things that I do is I drink a green smoothie. Now, granted, weight loss for babies before, after, all of that has a lot to do with your lifestyle, has a lot to do with your everyday diet. But one of the things that can help, regardless of what your diet is this green smoothie. So I'm going to show you how to make it. You can use a regular blender. I have a Vitamix blender, which I absolutely love. You're going to add baby spinach. And usually I fill up the blender, but if you're doing it for yourself, half full, not packed, just loose baby spinach. You can use water. I love to use coconut water, and I'll do a video on how to open a coconut in a week or so. So about a cup, or if you're using spring water, you can just pour the whole bottle in there. 1 banana and a handful of strawberries. That's Robert that you hear.
It's all up in the video.
And that's Ariel. Okay,
In
so
the background. Oh my god.
I got so much help today. So we're gonna blend this up. That's all that's in here. Now, what's special about this today is that usually, like I said, I fill this blender up full of spinach, which is what makes it green. Today it's a little bit brown because there's more strawberries than there is spinach. Typically, most smoothies are about a 60-40 split. So they usually have 40% greens and 60% fruit. I personally prefer to do, I can't get this off. There we go. The opposite. So I like to have more greens than I actually have fruit. And this is honey, raw organic honey. You can sweeten to your taste. Usually 2 or 3 really strong squeezes or scoops is just enough. I'm going to blend this back up. So something says you will not be seeing them in the video for a while. Okay. On your regular home blender, just do it on high speed. If you're using, you can actually use frozen strawberries, but if you do, you may have to stop, break it up, make sure it's from underneath the blades, and then reblend. But there you go. And I usually drink 2 of these a day. So you don't have to change your diet, don't have to do anything else. 2 green smoothies a day is all you need. It really helps to regulate your weight. Right underneath this video, I have a green smoothie challenge. It's totally free for you to be a part of. You can start it at any time. Next month, we're going to actually have a live session so that the classes with me are live. I can answer questions, and then it goes back to automated. So you can do it over and over again. You can do it once a month and experience the wonderful things and the benefits of green smoothies. Thanks so much. Bye.
Get a cup. Get a cup. Everybody get a cup.
Oh my gosh, can I get a cup? Can I get a cup? I didn't make like a whole blender full. Oh my gosh, where's your cup? Oh, whose cup is this? You want this cup? No. Okay.
Where's her cup? Can I just take your glass?
You want to drink mine? You can drink half.
Not dirty.
It's dirty, Ma. You want to use this cup? Okay. You want this glass? Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna drink all of it because you forgot about Ariel. Oh, poor thing.
You know how many?
Man, who took the paper? Alright, all done.
Cheers.
Put the paper that was on top of the paper. Oh, Gary is so cute.
Alright.